Hey, if you own a Minnkota Ulterra trolling motor, like I do, and you have that noise where it makes the noise turning one direction, not the other, I figured out the problem. They want you to buy a $550 housing. It wound up being that the motor, who has a beveled gear here, slides down into this and turns this gear right here. Well, there's not enough clearing in the housing right here, and the motor will push it just ever so slightly into that, and it'll start grinding. So what I did is I took a chisel and I chiseled off part of that aluminum right there, right here, and right here. So you get enough clearance, you know, 1/8 inch, or not even, there's no problem. But they want to sell you a $550 housing to fix the problem when you can do it for free.